everyone, welcome back to another Eurovision fan reaction video. Today we're having Ukraine's song for Eurovision 2025.
The song is called Bird of Prey. I haven't listened to the song, I haven't seen anything about Ukrainian this year, and specifically this one, it's my first time listening to the song. So we know Ukraine is a powerhouse when it comes to Eurovision. They are doing extremely well. They know how to do Eurovision, guys. So let's see if Ukraine is giving us another top 10 or top 5 entry this year.
Interesting beginning. Oh.
Beautiful start. Oh, it's a band?
Okay. The staging is interesting with the plants and stuff.
It's giving 70s, 60s.
The song is nothing special for my taste as of now.
Come on, Ukrainian Beatles! Vocally, it's good.
The singer reminds me a bit of Alexander Rybak in the face.
I'm trying to figure out the structure of the song.
I have to give credit to Ukraine for staging such a great national final production-wise in their current situation.
Okay, now back to the backing vocals with the ah. I don't like it.
Yeah, at least she has a great voice.
Of course, the stagings will be 100 times elevated for me because it's Ukraine. They know how to stage a song. We've seen that before. But sorry, this song, if it was represented by Slovenia or Lithuania or Latvia, it would have stayed in the semis. Because it's Ukraine, it will go to the finals, but...
Okay, also the girls have really great voices in the outro.
Maybe it's a grower.
I don't know what to say. I didn't quite like it. It was an interesting choice. But I think that it might be one of the weakest Ukrainian entries. Because Ukraine is known to be a powerhouse. But as a song, as of now, it's nothing special. I think if a weaker in Eurovision country had this song, like, I don't know, probably Georgia or Slovenia, everyone would say that it will be a sure non-qualifier.
Generally, it's giving nothing. Like, will I remember this after an hour? No, probably not. And among 25 entries in the grand final, who would pick up the phone to vote for this?
I'm certain that they will do something really great in the stage of Eurovision, stage-wise. Because Ukraine's always good in staging, so they can elevate the song in the actual contest, because that's just the national final.
This will go straight to the grand final, there's no doubt about it, but it's not top 10 worthy for me. But we'll see.
So we'll just have to wait and see, but for now, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I'm sorry.
Guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Eurovisionfun, and tell us down in the comments below what do you think about the Ukrainian entry for Eurovision 2025. And see you in the next reaction video.